Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This is going to be a template preview video. You guys know the holidays are coming up, Christmas, and Coco is like a great gift that you can give, and it's easy to customize, and give package up. So these are two different brands, and it doesn't matter which ones you get, but yeah, these are the little templates that I made to go over them. Like I said, both of these fit. These are super cute. They are double-sided. So yeah, and I just got tape, which is the glossy effect that you see on there, just your clear shipping tape. Of course, the measurements for this is going to be on my Patreon page. Um, yeah, like this was super cute. As soon as my daughter seen it, she just loved it and was like, "Oh my God, that's super cute. I want to do one." And it's easy, cute to put down in like some little baskets, little gift baskets. Um, Instead of just having this show, dress it up. Looks a whole lot better. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. These are like just a little bit off, but they both still fit, with measurements. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye.